Welcome to Posh Pros, and in this video, we will be discussing some tips and tricks on how to win an argument in a convincing manner. In today's world, we are constantly engaging in debates and discussions with people who hold different opinions and beliefs. Whether it's with friends, family, or colleagues, we all want to be able to make our point and come out victorious. Tip number 1. Stay calm. One of the most important things to remember when arguing is to stay calm. When emotions run high, it's easy to get caught up in the heat of the moment and say things that you'll regret later. By remaining calm and composed, you'll be able to think clearly and respond in a more logical and rational manner. Tip number 2. Use evidence. Before getting into an argument, make sure you have all of the facts and figures you need to back up your point of view. Whether it's statistics, expert opinions, or personal experiences, giving evidence will give you the upper hand in the argument, as you'll be able to provide evidence to support your claims. Tip number 3. Listen. It is also important to listen to the other person's point of view. While you may not agree with their opinion, it's important to understand where they're coming from. This will allow you to anticipate their counterarguments and come up with a response that addresses their concerns. Tip number 4. Avoid personal attacks. It's easy to get personal when you're in the middle of an argument, but this will only make things worse. Instead, focus on the issue at hand and avoid making personal attacks. Tip number 5. Be open to compromise. Even if you disagree with the other person, it's important to treat them with respect and courtesy. This will help to keep the argument from becoming too heated and will make it more likely that you'll be able to find a common ground and compromise. In conclusion, winning an argument is not just about being right. It's about presenting your point of view in a logical, rational, and respectful manner. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be able to make your point and come out victorious in any argument. Remember, it's not always about winning the argument. It's also about having a healthy conversation and understanding the other's point of view. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.